I didn't believe QuickBooks Online when it said that AI could reconcile my bank accounts for me. So I tested it for myself. I uploaded a bank statement and I let it prove me wrong. What's up everyone? My name is Liz and I'm going to show you today how to use AI to reconcile your QuickBooks Online account easily. This is really simple. It won't take long. So let's get started.
So to get to bank reconciliations, you can go over here to my menu and you can click reconcile, or you could do it the old way. Come to this settings gear right here. And again, click reconcile here. You could choose whichever one you want to do. Now, the reason why I'm so excited about this is because you can now upload a PDF, JPEG, PNG, or HEIC file, and it's going to read it. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to click right here. Here is my bank statement for my Amex card, and I want you to see what it does. Right now, it's going to extract all the transactions. So this might take anywhere between 60 to maybe 90 seconds, depending on how big the statement is. Okay, and you see how AI just said, I added the ending balance and the ending date from your statement. So you can verify and say, okay, is this correct? You will look at your bank statement, check your ending balance and your ending date, and when you're ready, you click Start Reconciling. Now, right here, it's going to say, okay, here are the totals from the bank statement, the beginning balance, the total amount of charges, the amount of payments, and the ending balance. And then it's going to say, okay, but here's what's in QuickBooks. So there's no variance, which is great, right? I don't have a variance. It automatically reconciled itself. Now, if there was a variance, here's the cool thing. It's going to tell you, let's say, the amount. And if I were to scroll down, it's going to highlight these in a different color, which is going to tell you that something needs to be unchecked. It'll tell you something like that. So I think that's a really, really cool feature because it does make reconciling your accounts a lot easier. So since this automatically did it for me, I just click Finish Now and my bank accounts are reconciled. Guys, this is a game changer because bank recs can be messy, but because it's helping you, because AI is reading it, it's really, really, really helpful.
And that's it. If you want to learn how to navigate AI in QuickBooks Online and do so with one-on-one training, click the link below in the description and let's schedule some time together. Until next time, ciao!